How to fix Libertex app not working issues. First of all, check your internet connection and make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network, because a weak connection is one of the most common reasons the app fails to load or respond. Next, close the Libertex app completely and reopen it to see if the issue is resolved, as temporary glitches can often be fixed with a simple restart. After that, open your device settings and clear the app cache for Libertex to remove corrupted temporary files that may be causing crashes or loading problems. If the app still doesn't work properly, check whether you are using the latest version of the Libertex app by opening the Play Store and updating it if an update is available, since outdated versions may stop working correctly. If the problem continues, restart your device to refresh system processes and free up memory. In case none of these steps work, uninstall the Libertex app and then reinstall the official version from the Play Store developed by Libertex International Company. Reinstalling the app often fixes login errors, freezing issues, or apps that refuse to open. Now you know how to fix Libertex app not working issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.